So, guys, welcome to our first chapter. At School of Pipsology, at Forex Runners. So, I'm going to be taking you through the whole course, and then I have some read aloud. So, it's going to help me because I'm not going to read each and everything on this in this course. So, I'm going to play it, and then I'll be explaining to you guys. So let me.
Before trading starts all over again in New Zealand. We don't like to exaggerate. We
So let me take you back. So
What is Forex?
what is Forex?
What is Forex? Quite simply, it's the global financial market that allows one to trade currencies. If you think one currency will be stronger versus the other, and you end up correct, then you can make a profit. Once upon a time, before a global pandemic happened, people could actually get on airplanes and travel internationally. If you've ever traveled to another country, you usually had to find a currency exchange booth at the airport, and then exchange the money you have in your wallet into the currency of the country you are visiting. You go up to the counter and notice a screen displaying different exchange rates for different currencies. An exchange rate is the relative price of two currencies from two different countries.
So in this case, an exchange rate.
You find Japanese yen.
So in this case, an exchange rate means like let me say if I have $1 which is equivalent to 1.02 Canadian dollars. So that's an exchange rate. So if I have my $2 and then the exchange rate of $1 is 1.02 Canadian dollars. So having my $2 and I want to convert them into the Canadian dollars, so I will have to get 2 times 1.02. So something that will be what I will be holding in Canadian dollars. So it is approximately to 2.04 Canadian dollars. That's the amount I will be having in the Canadian dollars. So that's the exchange rate.
You find Japanese yen, and think to yourself, wow, my $1 is worth 100 yen. And I have $10. I'm going to be rich.
So in this case, $1 is worth, let's say $1 is worth 100 yen. So if I have 100, so if I have $10, so that means in yen currency, so in the Japanese currency, I will be having 10 times 100, so that's 1,000 yen. Same amount but different currencies. So in USD you are having $10, but then in Japanese yen you are having 1,000 yen. So which makes a dollar more valuable than the Japanese yen. So next.
You've exchanged one currency for another.
Yes.
Or in Forex, trading terms, assuming you're an American visiting Japan, you've sold dollars and bought yen. Before you fly back home, you stop by the currency exchange booth to exchange the yen that you miraculously have remaining. Tokyo is expensive. And notice the exchange rates have changed. It's these changes in the exchange rates that allow you to make money in the foreign exchange market. What is Forex? The foreign exchange market, which is usually known as Forex or FX, is the largest financial market in the world.
The biggest financial market in the world.
The FX market is a global, decentralized market where the world's currencies change hands. Exchange rates change by the second, so the market is constantly in flux. Only a tiny percentage of currency transactions happen in the real economy, involving international trade and tourism, like the airport example above. Instead, most of the currency transactions that occur in the global foreign exchange market are bought and sold for speculative reasons. Currency traders, also known as currency speculators, buy currencies hoping that they will be able to sell them at a higher price in the future. Compared to the measly $200 billion per day volume of the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, the foreign exchange market looks absolutely ginormous with its 6.6 trillion. That's trillion with a T. Let's take a moment to put this into perspective using monsters.
So in this case, they're trying to tell you that Forex, the Forex market is absolutely big, with which is traded daily on 6.6 trillions per day, which makes it bigger than the New York Stock Exchange. Yes, which is also traded like 200 billions per day. So in this case, the Forex market, exchange market, is the biggest market in currency exchange.
The largest stock market in the world, the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, trades a volume of about $200 billion each day.
Yes.
If we used a monster to represent the NYSE, it would look like this.
Just like this.
Looks intimidating. Looks like it works out. Some may even find it sexy. You hear about the NYSE in the news every day, on CNBC, on Bloomberg, on BBC, heck, you even probably hear about it at your local gym. The NYSE is up today, blah, blah. When people talk about the market, they usually mean the stock market. So the NYSE sounds big, it's loud and likes to make a lot of noise. But if you actually compare it to the Forex market, it would look like this. Ooh, the NYSE looks so puny compared to the Forex market.
So in this
It
case,
doesn't stand a chance.
In this case, they're trying to show you that the New York Stock Exchange, this one, this big guy, is way too smaller than the Forex market. So, because this guy is traded 200 billions per day, and then the FX market is traded 6.6 trillions per day. Billions and then trillions. Let's continue.
Makes you wonder if the S in NYSE stands for stock or for scrawny. Rolling on the floor laughing. The cryptocurrency market is even punier. Check out the graph of the average daily trading volume for the Forex market, New York Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange, and London Stock Exchange. The currency market is over 200 times bigger.
So this is the forex market, and then the stocks. These are the stocks. So you realize the stocks, when you add the volume that's traded in a day for our stocks, and then for the New York Stock Exchange, the Tokyo Stock Exchange, and then the London Stock Exchange, you realize still the forex market is way too bigger than all of them, so making it the largest market in the world.
It is huge.
Yes.
But hold your horses, there's a catch. That huge $6.6 trillion number covers the entire global foreign exchange market, but the spot market, which is the part of the currency market that's relevant to most Forex traders, is smaller at $2 trillion per day. And then, if you just want to count the daily trading volume from retail traders, that's us, it's even smaller. It is very difficult to determine the exact size of the retail segment of the FX market, but it's estimated to be around 3 to 5% of overall daily FX trading volumes, or around $200 minus 300 billion, probably less.
200 to 300 billion.
So you see, the Forex market is definitely huge, but not as huge as the others would like you to believe. Don't believe the Forex is a $6.6 trillion market hype. The huge number sounds impressive, but a bit misleading. We don't like to exaggerate. We just keepin' it real. Aside from its size, the market also rarely closes. It's open virtually round the clock. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day and 5 days a week, only closing down during the weekend.
So in this case,
what a bunch of slackers.
In this case, they are trying to tell you that forex market is always open from so they're trying to tell you forex market is always open from Sunday midnight and then to Friday midnight. So 24 hours a day from Monday to Friday, and then we go into a break in weekends because there is no market that runs in weekends, and then we come back on Sunday midnight.
So unlike the stock or bond markets, the Forex market does not close at the end of each business day. Instead, Trading just shifts to different financial set. The day starts when traders wake up in Auckland, Wellington, then moves to Sydney, Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Frankfurt, London, before trading starts all over again in New Zealand.
So in this
To help you
case,
know what's happening in the Forex market every day,
they are trying to tell you that the day starts from Auckland, Wellington, and then to Sydney, Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Frankfurt. Those are trading sessions. So mainly for me, I just love trading the three sessions: the London session, the New York session, and then the Tokyo session. So those are the big markets I normally go for. So the Hong Kong and then Singapore, New Zealand. Yes, they are good sessions, but I don't normally deal with it. So that's it today for today, guys, and I hope you now know what is forex trading, and then you know what is how you can actually define it. So the next time we are going to, in the next video, we shall be looking at what exactly is traded in forex. I believe you might be having a small hint on what is traded in forex, but then we are going to dig deeper and understand what exactly is traded in forex. So see you in the next video of what is traded in forex. Thank you, guys.